Running a launch with 100 plus affiliates sounds like chaos waiting to happen, right? But it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your launch so that it goes smoothly, without the overwhelming stress. Stick around till the end for a strategy you won't want to miss. First things first. The key to managing 100 plus affiliates without chaos is solid organization from the start. The most important step is to choose the right software that makes everything easy to track. Trust me, I've tested a lot of them, and this software is the best for managing large-scale launches like this. I've even got an exclusive free trial just for you, linked below, so you can follow along while you watch. Next, it's about communication. When you have so many affiliates, they need clear instructions and easy access to resources. You can't just send out one email and expect them to figure everything out. Create a centralized portal where affiliates can get everything they need, from banners to links to copy. With our software, this is simple and keeps everyone on the same page. No more inboxes full of questions. Another critical step is automating as much as possible. You'll want to automate things like tracking affiliate performance, sending out reminders, and ensuring everyone's affiliate links are correctly recorded. With automation in place, you'll have less to manually track and follow up on, which means less room for error. This ensures that you can scale without adding too much complexity. Now, let's talk about your affiliates. You want them to be motivated and aligned with your goals. Provide them with a clear incentive structure and regular updates. Show them the progress of the launch. Nothing gets affiliates more excited than seeing the results of their hard work. Our software helps you send out these updates effortlessly, so you can keep them in the loop and motivated to push your product or service to the max. You'll also need a detailed plan for how you're going to launch. This means setting clear dates for when affiliates can start promoting, when the big launch day is, and when you'll be tracking commissions. Having a timeline everyone can follow helps prevent confusion and keeps things running smoothly. Finally, as you near launch day, you'll want to make sure you're able to handle any last-minute issues or questions. Make sure you have a support team ready to help your affiliates if they run into trouble. With 100 plus people involved, things can go wrong. But with the right setup, you can fix issues quickly before they snowball. Now, what's the key takeaway here? It's all about the systems you set up before the launch. By using the right software, automating processes, and ensuring consistent communication with your affiliates, you can run a launch with 100 plus affiliates without chaos. Make sure to use our recommended software, linked below, so you can follow along and keep everything organized. Quick recap: choose the right software, set up clear communication, automate where possible, motivate affiliates, and have a clear launch plan. And don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.